Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to add food to your Jetstar booking. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to jetstar.com on Google and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top side of the screen we have deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and of course the option where you can go and sign in by clicking here, and of course putting in all of your credentials. So when we have a separate video on how you can actually go and sign into, of course, this website, but of course you can then go and check it out if you are having struggles with that. But now when you go and sign in like this, you need to go and click on the manage booking option, which is here, as you can see. Click on manage booking. Then select the option to add meal. So firstly, you need to go and put your booking reference and of course your email or last name to find your flight. I don't have a flight at the moment. That's why I can't show you this, but I can tell you that you need to go and put the add meal option. Choose your preferred meal from the available options. Follow the prompts to confirm the pay for meal. Then you can also pre-purchase a meal when booking your trip or via manage booking at least 24 hours before your flight. This ensures you get preferred meal and often at a lower cost. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.